Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome back to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. Okay, today we are going to be strictly talking about wigs. And I just thought this would be fun to show you some of the wigs I kind of have forgotten about. As a wig reviewer, we are so lucky. We get to put our hands on a lot of wigs. And I want you to know that is not lost on me. I want you to know I have always said I am the luckiest person in the world to get to do this. I love everything about wigs. I love showing them to you, helping you make good purchasing decisions. As I've told you all along, this channel is not about me. This channel is about you. How can I help you make a good decision? I want to show you everything, every color, every style, everything I can so you can make a good decision when you go to purchase a wig, because as we know, they are not inexpensive and we want to make the best decision we can. So I do my best to show you as many as I can, but it's just not lost on me that I am truly fortunate. Now, that being said, I do have a lot of wigs. I do show a ton of wigs, and they kind of get lost sometimes. I forget, I've got this, I've got that, and then I go back and it's like, oh, I really like that one. So today, that's what I'm going to show you. Some that I still love, I haven't worn in a while, I kind of have forgotten I had. So I want to go back and look at those, and let's revisit them. And you tell me, have you tried these? Do you like these? Are these some that like I said, you've already tried? Just give me your feedback on these. Now, this is not a wig review. If you've watched me for a long time, you know I do these about once a month, a Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady, where we just visit and have a good time. It's very chatty. If you're not looking for a chatty video, you probably want to click off. Because I like to visit with you, and this is my time to do that. We are having a lot of bad weather, so you'll probably hear some rain on the roof. It's really raining today, but I thought, well, it's cozy. I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt. We're gonna be in the living room. We're gonna have some coffee, and let's talk about wigs. All the wigs I'm gonna show you today are from Wig Studio One. So if you see one that you want to know more about, I have reviewed all of these wigs. Just go to the search bar of my channel, put in the name of the wig, and it will pop up for you. So this is not a wig review. This is just a short look at some wigs I thought you might be interested in. Let's get started and look at some of the wigs I kind of forgot about. Okay, first up, Raquel Welch. Go to Style, and this is in Sunlit Chestnut. This color is so pretty. You know, just maybe this last year or so, I have started showing you brunettes, and I'm so glad that I started showing some brunettes because I really do like them. It was so out of my comfort zone for so long, but now it's like, wow, you know, we can like everything. And I think that's the beauty of this wig journey, is we can wear blonde, red, brunette, whatever we want to wear, and it's totally fine. And that's what I personally love about it. But I had this in a blonde, and then I picked it up on clearance in this color, this sunlit chestnut. This is such a pretty color. This to me is a sister style to John Renault Ignite. Really nice nape here. Fits real close to the neck. You know, I like that. So if you have hair that grows down a little bit, this will give you that coverage. But this just has that nice silhouette. It's a short style, has a little bit of length on the top, easy to wear. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this one. All right, this is Ellen Wille Icon in Champagne Rooted, one of my favorite Ellen Wille colors. This is so pretty. Longer bob. I think this works for most face shapes. It has this nice face framing layer, which I just find flattering on almost every one. Lots of movement here. This was super popular when it came out. I remember everybody had to have this wig, and I really think it still is. I think it's a very popular style. It fits well. It has beautiful movement on these fibers. Let me know, have you tried Icon? I personally think this is probably one of Beltres's all-time bestsellers. Caliente, this is hand-tied, and this is Root Beer Float Blonde. Oh my goodness, what is not to love about this wig? These beachy waves, hand-tied cap, I just think it's a winner, and I know why so many people like it, because it just is feminine, yet it's not overdone. It works for everyone. It has this beautiful sweeping bang. Yes, 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 yes. Now I have this in hand tied and the regular wefted. The hand tied, of course, I feel like offers a little more movement, a little more natural movement, but you can't go wrong with either one. Here's a style I hope they never stop making, Aesthetica Jett RH1488 RT8. To this day, I recommend this to people who are new to wigs that want something really short. And they sometimes, you know, a lot of people like bangs. This has a sweeping bang. It also has a lace front. So I think it's the best of both worlds on this wig. You can wear it on, off your face, sweep across your face, has one side's a little longer than the other. It's just a winner, and it is a great place to start if you are new to wigs and you want a short style. Has a nice nape. It's another one of those that's just a winner, and I hope they never stop making it because I think it is pretty. I've had it in several different colors. Every one of them I love. Another one that's been around a long time, Raquel Welch Flirt Alert in Shaded Biscuit. My all-time favorite, Raquel Welch Blonde. Now I have some favorite Raquel Welch reds as well, but this is my favorite blonde shade from Raquel Welch Flirt Alert. I had to go to the grocery store this morning, so I pulled something out of my closet real quick, put this on. I thought, I forget how much I love it. I wore it so much, then I kind of put it away, and now I pulled it out to wear it, and I'm like, yes, I remember why I love this so much. Beachy Waves, this is a nice length to me. You know, these are heat-friendly fibers, so if they rub on your collar, they're going to fray. We know that. We know that we have to apply heat to heat-friendly fibers to keep them looking their best. If they're very long, they really wear fast. This, I feel like, has a nice length to where it's kind of up off your collar. So in my opinion, you will get a little longer wear out of this in between having to put heat on it to apply heat. Okay, this one goes way over the top, right? With a lot of curls, which, hey, I'm all about it. This is Aesthetica Violet, RH1488 RT8. Beautiful, beautiful color. Just, I love these waves. I love these curls. This is so pretty. I have worn this pinned up off my face like that. It is so beautiful. You can wear this in lots. It has enough length. You can wear it in a lot of different ways and style it in a lot of different ways. Lots of movement, which is so fun. Again, up off your collar a little more. Which, when we start getting into fall and winter, I like wigs that don't really rub on my collar. So I have a coat on, turtleneck, and all that. So I don't know. Sometimes I want to just kind of keep a wig up off of my shoulders a little bit. I want to get as much wear out of my wigs as I can. I was so glad I pulled this one out of my wig closet today. Raquel Welch Fierce and Focused SS Sand. Now this color I think is so wearable and so pretty, but this reminds me very much of Jett, like we just looked at a minute ago. Sweeping bang. You can get your hands in this and really spike it up if you want to, which, you know, I like that too. Just a perfect throw on and go, get out the door style. Longer nape here. Notice this nape. Notice how long that nape is. Perfect if you need that, which I think really looks nice. Okay, I need to wear this more often. Okay, here's another mid-length wavy style you might have forgotten about. This is Envy's Giamano, and this color is lighter red. You know I had to show you a red. I do love my reds. Again, getting into the fall, I just love to put on a red wig. I think it's just so cozy and pretty. This is beautiful. They did, I think, an excellent job, Envy, with this style. I really do. This color, I understand, is not for everyone. It's very vibrant. I like it. I think it's pretty. I think that, like I said, it's not for everyone, but it comes in lots of different colors. But if you want to try red, have a look at this one. Okay, Raquel Welch, Straight Up with a Twist, Elite. This one is SS Iced Cafe Latte. What a beautiful color. What a beautiful style. Now, what I want to tell you about this wig, this is one of the styles I feel like needs some taming. It needs steaming. To me, every one I've had falls in my face. Not a fan of that, as you know. But there are some wigs I think are worth spending the time and doing a little extra to, and some that are not. This, I feel like, is. I think this is a beautiful silhouette on Straight Up with a Twist. Just absolutely classic. Never goes out of style. You can wear this forever. And so, yes, I think it is worth taking a few minutes and steaming the front. I have not steamed this one, but I will. When I get a second, I will do it. But until then, I'm going to use some Hair You Wear hairspray. Y'all know I've shown you that a million times. And I'm going to pull it off my face. And I'm going to spray it just like that. And I'm going to pull that right off my face just like that. Works like a charm. However, it's temporary. It's a temporary fix. It's not going to last. It'll last through the day, and that's going to be it. So you'll have to do that every time you put it on, which I don't care. I can do that. It takes me, you saw, 2 seconds. However, if you will steam it, you'll get a permanent fix, a much more permanent fix, and you won't have to do that every time. But like I said, this one is well worth it. Okay guys, that's what I got. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, having some coffee with me on this rainy day here. I really enjoy it. Please leave me lots of comments and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do a lot of videos. I'm posting more every week, so I look forward to seeing you here. Again, thanks so much, and I will see you next time.